In this problem, we're gonna try to find the angle alpha. We are given that alpha is between 0 and pi over 2. We are also given that the cosine of alpha is square root of 2 plus the square root of 6 over 4. We want to compute alpha, and also when we do that, we want to find the sine of alpha. So finding alpha is the most difficult part here. Okay, even if we compute alpha, there is some ways to compute that. The sine of alpha is easier. Okay, we can compute that very easily using this formula that the cosine squared of alpha plus sine squared of alpha is 1. And the sine is just squared 1 minus cosine squared of alpha. And since alpha is in this interval, the sign is positive. We don't need plus or minus here, we need just a plus. So alpha is going to be positive because it's given here. And we can compute, in fact, this one. And doing so, we can find that the sine of alpha is just 2 minus square of 3 over 2, I think. Yes, over 2. Okay, but the issue is, what's this angle? Okay, how can we do this? If we try to find the tangent of alpha, we're also gonna have an issue. So the best idea is how to get rid of this alpha here is by using this fact that the cosine of 2 alpha is 2 cosine squared of alpha minus 1. Okay, so it's better to compute this one. Let's do this. So this is the hint. If you want to stop here and do it by yourself, you can stop here and start working this problem. Okay, let's solve it. So the cosine of 2 alpha is 2 cosine squared is given to us is square root of 2 plus square root of 6 over 4 squared minus 1. So we compute that. We get 2 plus 2 square root of 12 plus 6 over 16. We leave the minus 1. And here you can get rid of this 2. So we have 8 plus 4 square root of 3. I used the fact that 12 is 4 times 3, and I took the 2 outside of the square root of 4 over 8. And here I can, I still have the minus 1. So here I can simplify and get 2 plus square root of 3 over 2 minus 1. Okay, this computation would give me 2 plus square root of 3 minus 2 over 2, which is square root of 3 over 2. Okay, I know that the cosine of 2 alpha is square root of 3 over 2. And what's this angle? That means 2 alpha, because it's between 0 and pi over 2. 2 alpha is pi over 6. That means alpha is pi over 12. Okay, so this is my angle, the angle that I'm looking for. Therefore, the cosine pi over 12 is square root of 2 plus square root of 6 over 4. And the sine of pi over 12 is square root of 2 minus square root of 3 over 2. Okay, I think that's it. And this relation is always helpful. Okay, and it did help a lot here. I think that's what we need to compute. Thank you very much.